Welcome back to Market Charts. So, do you want to trade Tesla tomorrow? You want to know what to do? So, what we're going to do today is we're going to build a trading plan and a setup for tomorrow to see how we're going to trade it. So, let's get into it. All right, so first of all, Tesla is not at any of these levels and any of these prices right now. It's actually at 169.65, so $169.65. It's not shown on the charts because it is after hours. I don't know why it doesn't show it to me. Most of the time it does, but it doesn't matter. I marked it for you guys here anyways. Some earnings real quick just to get a better idea. So revenue was a little small miss. Q1 revenue 23.33 versus 23.35. Tiny, small, not that bad. Margins on vehicles under 20% in Q1. That's a no-no actually. That's not that good. And I guess those price cuts are not doing any good. That's what it looks like. And all right, let's look into here. Okay. So we have Tesla at 169. It doesn't let me mark for some reason 65 cents, but 74. That's good enough. Okay. So basically we went all the way down. Now I marked a few other levels over here and support, levels that we're going to be looking at for tomorrow is going to be right here 169. We're going to see how it's going to look in pre-market, and if it's pushing up, my guess would be it's not going to pass the 176.50. If it does, then I'm going to be pretty optimistic that Tesla is just going to be close to break even, maybe even only 2% down for the day. But if it doesn't, then what we're going to be looking at is going to be here. It's going to be 169.74, 65, whatever. That's where we're at right now, actually. 166.50, 166, 163, 164-ish, and 161. If it breaks that, then that's a whole different story. I don't know if it's going to break that, though, to be honest. If it goes under there, then 154 would be the next one that I'd be looking at. 154, maybe 156, but I would already keep it at 154 there. So basically, what my trading plan for tomorrow is going to be, it's going to go like this. So what my trading plan would look like tomorrow is going to be like this. Now, I'm a trader that I kind of like to take like almost, nothing is 100%, but something that's 100% in my mind that's going to work. So what I would do is I'm going to wait until 164, and I would wait to see if it could break like 163.50, and if it holds, if it does that, then I am probably going to get into a quick scalp onto the with a put, and I will get out literally like maybe $1.50 later, $2 later. So if I get in at 163.50, if there's confirmation and it holds, all that is depending on price action. But if it does, then I would get out around 162 most likely. Now, just because I say that I'm gonna get out, at 162, for example, it doesn't mean, or $1.50 later or $1 later, it doesn't mean that I, for example, like look at my trades and I'm like, okay, I'm gonna once it goes down $1.50, that's where I'm gonna sell. No, I look at the next support level, and the next support level you can see it's about 161 to 161.20. So I always like to get out a little bit before, and that that's what worked for me the best. I've made that mistake a lot in the past, and I've seen a lot of traders make that mistake as well, where they wait for it to go to the next support level. They're like, I'm just gonna hold it until there, and then it does like a reversal before it even hits it. So it's always better to be safe than sorry, especially when you're trading and trading options, and every 10 cents or 20 cents do count. Okay, so yeah, 162, and then looking at it there. Now, what I would also do, if it broke through the 160s, then wow. I mean, if that breaks, then I would probably wait to see like if it holds on under there, and if it does, then I would hold it all the way down to like even 156. I would hold it to, yeah, like 156.50. So yeah, basically that's the first thing we're going to be looking at. 163.90, 163.70, you know, looking for it to break the 163.50. I'll get into a quick scalp, get out before this at 162, 162.20, depending on how it's looking tomorrow, how much sound pressure there is, and how the day's looking. If it breaks that and it breaks the 160s, then I would most likely get into puts and exit at around 156.50 to 157 even. Even though, to be honest with you, if it doesn't break over here, if it doesn't break the support of 163.80, 164, and I see that throughout the day, for example, it just keeps, you know, rejecting it, I might just play that range and even, you know, see if there's going to be a reversal to the upside, even though I don't think Tesla's going to be, you know, green tomorrow, but I'll play that reversal and keep a very tight stop loss on it. So that's my trading plan and setup for tomorrow for Tesla and how I would trade it. If you liked it, if you found this video helpful, I would love to invite you to join the market charts community, and I would really be appreciative if you hit that subscribe button. It does help me out with the YouTube algorithm. Don't forget to like the video. And if you had any questions, just let me know down in the comments below. Also, let me know what stock you would like me to do next and break down next. Have a great one and good luck to everybody. If you are trading tomorrow, trade carefully and with the right risk management. Don't get greedy. Know when to get out. And have a great day. See you guys in the next one.